Rule 2 explains one of the most important principles of the COLREGS: responsibility. Nothing in these rules shall exonerate any vessel or the owner, master, or crew from the consequences of neglecting to comply with these regulations. It also does not excuse the failure to take any precaution that may be required by the ordinary practice of seamen or by the special circumstances of the case. In other words, simply following the written rules is not always enough. Every navigator must also apply good seamanship, experience, and professional judgment when assessing a situation at sea. The rules are designed to prevent collisions, but they cannot cover every possible situation that may occur on the water. That is why Rule 2 reminds every officer and captain that responsibility ultimately rests with the vessel's command team. When interpreting and applying these rules, due regard must always be given to all dangers of navigation and collision. This includes the limitations of vessels involved, weather conditions, traffic density, visibility, and any other factors that may affect safe navigation. There may also be special circumstances where it becomes necessary to depart from the rules in order to avoid immediate danger. Such decisions must always be based on sound judgment and professional seamanship. Rule 2 is often referred to as the rule of common sense. It makes it clear that safe navigation is not only about knowing the rules, but also about understanding when and how to apply them correctly. At sea, responsibility cannot be transferred to the rulebook. It always remains with the officer on watch and the master of the vessel. At sea, the rules guide you, but responsibility is always yours.